Okay, heading out for session number 2. I have to be more brave on the brakes. Yeah, way more tremendous than the driver behind the pedals here. Yeah, I'm really pushing here. This is all I got, I have to say. Keeping the karting line, drifting out a bit. Lifted there.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh shit! Whew! Jesus Christ, I missed the brakes. Woo-wee! Whew. Fucking hell, I just didn't hit the pedal right. Whew. That was lucky that there's runoff. I was just hitting my leg between the clutch and the brake. Oh, Jesus, I haven't never done that error before. But the time is not that good. Okay, I'm gonna do one more lap. I'm not afraid of the infamous one more lap.